If you've been chasing that modern tech house that has been dominating the dance floors from Space Miami to Punchy Ibiza, this is After Hours. Our new tech house and indie dance sample pack that is built around the groove-driven sound that has taken over the dance floors over the past few months and the year to come. At the core, it's all about tight punchy drums, offbeat bass lines and a BPM that's slightly faster than your usual old school tech house. Think of the energy you hear from artists like Max Styler, Genesee, Chris Lake and Odd Mob, combined with the more deep driven sound of artists like Ten Mita Gami. This pack follows the exact path of the top tier labels of the moment such as Black Book Records, Experts Only and Maccabi House. In After Hours you will find 100 presets for Serum 2, a full sample pack, 4 project files for Logic, FL Studio and Ableton, and you will find a folder full of vocal hooks and vocal shots for you to use in your productions. If you want to support the pack or check out more before the video starts, head over to the link in the description or click here and you will find a complete overview of the pack that you can look at your own pace. Now let's jump into the pack, and first I will showcase you all of the project files that are included in the pack. Bring it back. So that were the 3 full project files included that are in there for both FL Studio, Ableton and Logic. And I'm really happy with how they turned out, as I think they really resemble the modern day tech house sound really well. Let's now move on to showcase you some of the amazing presets that are in this pack. So I'm going to start off with the basses that are included in this pack, and the first bass is called Bass Ace. It's a really clean but fat saw bass that really functions as one of the core elements of the genre. As always, all of the presets come with macros, so you can slightly change them to your taste. In this case, for example, you can change the filter decay or turn it into a more of an acid sound. Next is Bass Beyond, which is more of a punchy, deep bass line. On this bass we use some of the effects like a distortion and a compressor to really make it more crunchy and modern sounding. Next is Bass Bomba, which is more of a bit crushed, low funky bass, which sounds like this. Next is Bass Filthy, which is a 303 inspired bass, which is just a legendary sound that you still in this genre can hear quite a lot. And that one sounds like this. Next is bass fold, which is a really fat analog sounding step inspired by Adam 10, and it sounds like this. Then we have bass forward, which is more of a Reese bass with a perfect fifth. Serum 2 really opened up some new possibilities with new wavetables, as well as the layering of multiple oscillators, which really allowed us to get more creative again in this new tech house pack. Then we have bass slap, which is a fat bass guitar sample. Then we have bass spray, which is a deep square bass, and that one sounds like this. Slide down sample distortion on it as well to add that little extra grit and harmonics. And the last bass I will showcase you is bass titanium, which is a sustained acid step sound. Let's now move on to the lead sounds. Then we have this lead called Arcade, which sounds really retro and can work really well as top lead. Next we have lead explosion, which is a modulated sound with some FX on it that creates this metallic effect. Then we have lead game, which is another FM lead, and it sounds like this. Then we have this lead called lead generation, which is basically a fat saw lead that's perfect for layering on the same notes as your bass to get some more, to fill up some of your higher frequency areas. Then we have lead surround, which is a very aggressive top lead. Then we move on to the plucks, and the first one is called Pluck Attack. Next we have this bit crushed pluck. The next pluck is called Pluck Simulation, which is a hypnotic sine-based top pluck. Then the last preview for the plucks is Pluck Trill, which is a robotic FM pluck based on these saw wave oscillators. Just like in our previous melodic packs, we added some step sounds, which again for this genre works really well. And the first step is this powerful step called Alive. Then we have this really wet square step that you can utilize to add more power and fill up your drops. Let's move on to the last part of the Serum presets, which is the synth part. And the first synth is this perfect fifth synth called Synth Betty. Then next up we have Synth Legacy, which you can really use in these dynamic kind of melodic drops. And it sounds like this. Next up we have this really unique octave jumping synth called Synth Matrix. And that was it for the Serum presets. If you want to check out more preset previews, go to the link in the description where you will find even more previews of the presets. And let's now move on to the other content of the sample pack. So first of all, here are some bass loops that are included in the pack. And they all come with a MIDI file, which you can reuse or analyze if you want to learn from it. There are some sampled bass shots from the Uno and the Moog behind me, which sound really fat and analog. Again, we really stack this pack with drum loops, such as these conga loops. Some acoustic head loops. As well as normal head loops. Plenty of percussion loops. Snare loops, which we felt like for this genre could really benefit a lot of you guys, because these are slightly pre-shifted or have some reverb automation on it. Texture loops to play in the background. And complete top loops as well for instant inspiration. There are also just the normal drum one-shot, such as the claps, heads, kicks. Then 10 open heads. Percussion. Some organic percussion as well as more metallic inspired sounds. Snares. And of course toms, which are also a vital element of this genre. Long fills as well as short fills. Some natural street ambience. Downlifters, a lot of white noise bass. Impacts. Miscafix, which is really interesting. Risers, so these are more of the tonal risers. and some uplifters. We also added a selection of vocals in the pack that are like spoken word / rap type of vocals. So there are hook, shouts and vocal chops included in the pack.
Bring it back. I got that funky feeling. Roll it, take flight, yeah, own it. Stack dreams, yeah, build it, show it. No time, get on it.
The vocal shots are more filler vocals that you can use throughout the whole track.
Hey. Woo! But. Yeah.
And the vocal chops are more ambience, kind of background loops. And that's it for the content of the sample pack. So I showed you the project files, the presets for Serum 2 and the full sample pack, and we are really happy with the end result because we really believe that this pack contains everything you need to make really good sounding tech house. If you want to check out more details about the pack, make sure to head over to the link in the description. If you have any questions about the pack, just drop a comment or send us a message on Instagram DM. For now, I want to thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.